Hello, this is Taj Tires. I've got a Volvo XC90 here. Just doing a headlight bulb on this, but I'll show you how it's done. If I just switch the ignition on, switch the lights on, show you which one it is. As you can see, that one there is working on the passenger side front, but the driver side one isn't. It's quite a simple one on this. Switch the ignition off, lights off. All you need to do is remove this on both sides, the clips. Once you remove the clips, the headlight then would come out. Just gotta bear with me, I'm just doing this on my own. So once you got it out, all you then do is remove the cover. Once you remove the cover, the bulb's right in there. It's a H7 bulb, so you remove the connector first. So you got a wiggle, connectors out the way, and then the spring. So you then push the spring down and then backwards. Then you pull the bulb out, but before you pull it out, just make sure you see the bulb how it's sitting. There's only one way the bulb would go, so it's a 2-pin bulb. That's a H7 bulb, just right there. Always remember, when you do take the bulb out of the box, never hold it from the lens. Just hold it from the back if you can, just right there. Push the bulb in place, and then connect everything back up. I mean, this here seems like it's blown as well, so I'm not even sure if it is gonna work. But the bulb was definitely blown, as you can see. Now what we do, before I put it back together, I'm just going to switch the light on. Switch ignition on. And now you can see the light is working. That's all you have to do. Put everything back together. There's only one way this would go. So you've got two of these clips right here. So you can see one's bigger than the other. So the big one goes on this side and the smaller one goes on the other side. Thank you very much. Goodbye.